guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you are old, thanks for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, as in you haven't subscribed, guy, babe, what are you doing? Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new video. That's it. Simple. It's free of charge. Okay, I'm here with another hair tutorial, and it's going to be 2-in-1 updo. One is detachable and the other one you can just rock it, as in rock it, like just like normal updo. So if you want to see how I get the hair done, keep watching. My hair is packed already in ponytail. That's how we are going to start, and I'll be using Reggae. Then I'll be using Eco Styler gel. So let's do it. So I just attach this band to the hair. That's it. Then I attach the band to my hair. So I'm going to use bobby pin to secure it. Needing a lot of bobby pin for the hairstyle. So now I'm just going to leave it to dry. By the time I'm back, then we'll continue. So guys, I'm back now and the hair is dry. I just used the opportunity to get my voice from school. So it's dry. Like I said, 2-in-1. This is the first one. You know, you can rock this anywhere. And the second one, we're about to do that now. I just use this rubber band. Now we divide it. I use the band to divide it into 2. So I attached it. I'm going to attach it to the bigger hair, to the bigger bone. Like so. I use small band to secure it at the tip so that it will not get unraveled, even though we are still going to hide it. yeah, we'll be using a lot of bobby pin to secure it. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. This hair is stylish. You can wear it, take it to anywhere, any party. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.